Vanilla, your United India Insurance interview is on which date?
Sir, it is on June 13th.
In which place? Ernakulam?
Ernakulam, sir, Kerala.
Correct. You are from Karnataka.
Yes, sir.
You are, say, agriculture graduate.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Other things. I am
Yes.
remembering correctly. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
So, can you tell us when did you complete your degree? What you are doing since completing your degree?
So I have done my graduation in BSc Agriculture and passed out in the year 2018. And I have also pursued my post graduation in MA Rural Development in distance learning from IGNOU.
Which year did you complete MA
Sir, your
Rural?
voice is not audible, sir. It's very low.
MA Rural Development. When did you complete?
2023, recently only, sir, last year.
1 minute. I'll close the door and come. Yes, 2000. Pardon? Please repeat.
Sir, I completed my graduation in the year 2018
Mm.
and enrolled for post graduation in the year 2020 and completed it in 2023.
3 years.
That is, sir, I did it in distance learning. As I was working, there was problem of leaves, sir. Whenever I had exams, I couldn't attend them because of
What
leaves problem.
are you working now, or are you working now?
No, sir. Right now, I'm not working. I resigned from the services last year.
So, what was the work you were doing?
Uh, Clerical job only, sir. I relieved as
Clerical job in which company?
Union Bank of India.
Why are you hesitating to tell about it? You can feel happy in telling about it. Union Bank of India.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can feel happy to tell. Did you study for JIAB and all? No.
Yes, sir. I completed JIIB and CIIB.
Oh, great. Excellent. Then why are you trying in banking circle also?
No, sir. I have not appeared for any of the banking exams, and right now I'm interested to join the insurance sector.
Why?
Sir, insurance is a sunrising sector in our country. Uh, India leading the world's population, yet there is low penetration in our country. Hence, there is huge potential for business growth in this sector. So, I want to be part of this growing sector, and it fulfills my career aspirations.
Yeah. What is your family?
Sir, my family consists of only two right now. I and my mother. My mother works for state government, and I'm
Yeah,
unmarried.
yeah, yeah. Correct. You said your father was working in police or so, no?
Yeah, he was in police department, and he's expired now.
Yeah, that's right. Good. Um, what is the news, if any, you have read about United India Insurance?
Okay. Regarding United India Insurance,
Maybe you are
sir,
not.
it is in tie-up with some third-party uh, company, third-party company. I'm not able to recall that name.
No. I no,
Third-party administration.
mostly
Yeah.
they may not ask, but still I asked you so that you can prepare on that.
Apart from that, it has it was given several awards like Finoviti Award and uh,
Mm.
and 100% digitalization award was given, sir, last year, 2023,
Mhm.
for its best performance in digitalization.
Okay. Um, just a minute. Because yesterday I came across a material. I don't know whether I shared that with you. Some banking it seems there is a magazine by known as Insurance.
Okay.
There is a magazine known as Insurance. Mm, just a minute. Yeah, that I will share it with you later on. No problem. Yeah.
Okay.
Vanilla, why should I give preference to you?
Yes, sir. Sir,
What?
yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I think I'm a well-deserved candidate for this post. I can tell this because of my background. It might be my academic background. I'm a graduate of agriculture, where I understand the importance of development of rural economy for overall inclusive development of the nation. And I understand the importance of financial inclusion and role of insurance played in it. And I also have experience of 4 years in the financial sector. So with all this, my knowledge and job experience in the financial sector, I can also do well in insurance sector too. So this is my take.
Yeah, 1 minute. What are the major crops grown in your district?
Sir, in our district, we grow majorly cotton, paddy, groundnut, and millets like jowar, ragi. Yes,
Mhm.
these are the major crops grown here.
Yeah. What is meant by soil testing and what do you know about it?
Sir, soil testing, it is done to give the report about various soil parameters. It is
Mm,
done by soil testing clinics set up in village levels.
mm,
Right now, it is given for 14 parameters, which includes a report about the micronutrients in the soil, and also pH, EC, and other conditions of soil. Based on this report, farmers are suggested some uh, crop management uh, programs for better yields.
Can you tell me about tea cultivation and climatic requirements?
Yes, sir. So pre-cultivation, first of
No,
all, we should prepare the land uh, for
no,
sowing.
no,
That
no,
is,
you
yes, sir.
no, you heard it wrongly. I asked TEA.
Tea cultivation. Sir, yes, sir, your voice is very low.
Yeah, tea cultivation.
Tea cultivation regarding?
Uh, Tea cultivation and climatic requirements.
Okay. Sir, tea is majorly grown in heavy rainfall area and high humidity area, and with the soil texture of loamy soils, and majorly it is one of the major commercial crops in our state too, Karnataka, and it is done in the terrace farming system, and grown in the slopy areas. Coming to the climatic conditions, as I said, high rainfall and high humidity is required, and uh, cool temperature is of 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius is required for the good crop growth.
Why did you choose agriculture? Is anybody into agriculture in your family or relatives?
No, sir, I'm not from a rural background. Even I don't have anyone in my parents looking after the agriculture. But when, sir, after my PUC, I understood about the value of agriculture in India, scope of agriculture in India. Even today, major portion of a population depends upon rural agriculture, and as we all know, agriculture is the backbone of our country. Back then, after my PUC, I understood the scope of agriculture in India, and then I was interested in that subject and joined for graduation.
Good. What do you know about PM Fasal Bima Yojana?
Sir, PM Fasal Bima Yojana is a central sector scheme. It is compulsory for the loany farmers, and it is not mandatory for the non-loany farmers. And under this premium paid by the farmers varies to different crops. Like for kharif crops, 2% is the premium, and for rabi crops, it is 1.5% of the crop cultivation cost, and for plantation and commercial crops it is 5%. It was introduced in the year 2016. It is one of the major agricultural schemes even now running in.
What is mulching? MULCHING.
Yes, sir. Mulching is a agronomic practice in farming, whereas the dry leafy matter of other trees is placed on the uh, space in the space between two crop lines. It is majorly done for conservation of soil moisture without evaporating, because soil moisture is very important for the plant growth.
What is food security and how it is provided?
Yes,
Food
sir.
security. Food security.
Yeah, I will answer it. Sir, food security is ensuring there is adequate quantity of food available to every individual in a country. Where the food security is the responsibility is taken by Government of India, by Food Corporation of India in our country, where they take up they distribute the food grains by fair price shops to below poverty line people. Yes, sir.
No, it is not only for below poverty line. It is known
No.
as Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana.
Yes, sir. Even
Pradhan,
those beneficiaries are added, sir, recently. Not
Pradhan,
recently, few years.
Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana is a food security welfare scheme announced by the government of India during the COVID-19 pandemic, and it is still continuing. So I am
Yes.
giving you the link of that Wikipedia page. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes.
In our, you are a member of which group?
NICLAO, UIICAO.
Yeah. NICL. Yeah, I have given you there. Now, please go through that.
Yes, sir.
Not that what you said was not correct. It can be further improved. Now,
Yes, sir.
can you talk on water scarcity?
Yes, sir. So, especially nowadays, because of the rapid industrialization and pollution, there is pollution and depletion of water sources in our country, especially India being heavily depend upon rainfall for rain-fed agriculture. because of excess usage of fertilizers and pesticides, the groundwater is polluted and it becomes unsuitable for growth of the crops. Because of all these reasons, India today is facing 54% of water scarcity.
You are now you are now living in Bengaluru, no?
No, sir. I'm living in Ballari.
Bellary. Yeah. How was the rain? How is the rain now? Was there any rain recently?
Yes, sir. From last 3 days, it is drizzling.
Drizzling only, not much rain.
Yeah, yes.
In Bengaluru, it seems 113 centimeters rain came one day.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Very sad. If it had come to other areas, it would have been good. Yeah.
Mm.
Tell me about the famous industries in your areas.
So we have one famous steel industry here. It is the reason Ballari is also called as a steel city of Karnataka. JSW industry is present, sir, in our Ballari.
What do you know about IRDAI?
Sir, IRDAI is a Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. Uh, Act was passed in the year 1999, and the body was established in 2000, April 19th. It is the major
The,
objective of it.
in the
Yes, sir.
real interview, don't go into the historical aspect of it. Simply start telling IRDAI is the controlling authority for insurance companies and its
Yes,
headquarters is in Hyderabad. The chairman is Debasish Panda. These are the functions. This is the purpose for which it has been formed.
yes, sir. Okay, I'll keep it short.
Yeah. Can you tell me 5 current affair news?
Yes, sir. Uh, Regarding insurance or anything.
Anything. Don't ask question like that. You tell what is coming to your mind. Okay.
Okay, sir. IRDAI recently issued a master circular mentioning various points like there should be within 1 hour there should be cashless service offered to the policyholders after his admission to the hospital, and after discharge from the hospital the claim should be settled within 3 hours.
Mm.
And yes, sir.
Yeah, correct. Continue.
And the
Hello.
policyholder should be yes, sir, should be provided with no claim bonus. That is, if in the preceding year, if the premium amount is paid and he has not availed any claim, then there should be discounts given in the premiums, or sum assured should be increased. This is one of the uh, point under the master circular. And another thing is,
Mm.
sir, it is said that even Ayush should be included in the insurance sector.
Yeah, good.
And sir, Canara Bank has
Mm.
liquidized, 14.5% share is sold out in Canara HSBC insurance company. It has sold 14.5% of its stake.
No, but see, when you search it, I am giving the link
Yes.
in our group.
Mm.
That is some insurance. What is that? 1 minute. This is what I don't know whether it contains news about insurance. This will
Mm.
tell you about the recent insurance.
Okay.
Kamal Kishore soon takes charge as Director General ESIC. IRDAI Chairman reviews Bima Sugam progress. Then
Yes.
insurers lap up G-Sec derivatives to manage liability. PNB MetLife appoints Samir Bimal. Something like that.
Mm.
So you please go
Mm.
through this.
Yes.
This will be better. But some allied news also. This is what you were mentioning. Punjab
Yes.
National Bank to sell 10% in Canara Bank,
No,
HSBC Life.
even Canara Bank has sold its stakes up to 14.5% in Canara HSBC Insurance.
Now, if you tell like that, they will ask, why are they selling? What is the advantage
Okay.
of the company to sell it? Like that. You can manage that question. It is not problem. Very good.
Okay.
You can manage that question. Now, further questions. What is the tagline?
Sir, at UIIC, it is always you before I. That's the tagline.
What is the um, what do you know about NHB? What is NHB?
Sir, NHB is one of the developmental banks in our country. It is National Housing Bank.
Good. What is the role of a administrative officer? You are appointed. What do
Yes,
you
sir.
think will be the role?
Yes, sir. My role and responsibilities vary as per my posting. I might be posted in a regional office or head office or divisional office where I will be working with any of the departments, or I might be posted in the operational units at the branch level where I should be providing the administrative guidance to the staff members. I should be looking at management of data and risk management at the branch.
Good. They have
Yes.
asked this question. How does insurance IRDAI
Yes.
regulating insurance industry?
Okay.
See
Sir,
the answer.
it is providing, it is responsible for issuing licenses or canceling it, license to the upcoming private sector or in public sector insurance companies, or even providing license to the third party administrators.
Hmm.
And it is responsible for inspection and auditing of insurance companies. And it is also dispute, it looks at the grievance redressal of the policyholders.
Here there is one notes. What is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of
Yes.
India? Vajiram Ravi. Are you seeing on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Vajiram Ravi. So they will not allow it to be seen
No,
afterwards.
sir. Right side top, the close mark is there. You can close it.
Achha, thank you.
Right side, yeah.
Thank you. Now you have very interesting questions here. I was not
Yes.
aware of that. 1 minute,
Okay.
1 minute. Hold on. I should give you an NIACL. I think the other one I gave it in a newspaper. Please see that.
Yes.
So you have to prepare for what are reinsurance companies.
Sir, reinsurance is insuring the insurance companies. The example is a GIIC reinsurer,
Mm,
which provides insurance to the four of the public sector insurance companies in our country.
correct. Um, then what are the entities regulated by IRDAI?
Sir, all the insurance companies, either public sector companies or private sector companies, even the third party administrators, and the entities which take up corporate agent license.
No, you should segregate like this. Life insurance, general
Okay,
insurance, like that you should tell. Otherwise, everything is okay. Then
okay, sir.
mm, here, reinsurance companies, agency channel, intermediaries, corporate agents, brokers, third-party administrators, surveyors, and loss assessors. You must know the name of few people who are doing this. What is a
Okay.
reinsurance company? What are the agency channel? Please study in detail about this.
Yes, sir.
Then there can be a question about how many life insurance companies are there, how many general insurance companies are there. Tell me the
Okay.
names of tell me the names of 3 public sector general insurance, 3
Yes.
private sector general insurance. Please prepare.
Yes.
And this also you can know efficient the significant responsibilities. Please read this. Significant responsibilities. Please read
Yes, sir.
efficient.
To protect
Efficient.
the interest of, yes, sir. Efficiently conducting the insurance business and protecting the interests of the policyholders in matters concerning assigning of policy, nomination by policyholders, insurable interest, settlement of insurance claims, surrender value of the policy, and other terms and conditions of contracts of insurance. Approving product terms and conditions offered by various insurers. Regulating the investment of funds by insurance companies and maintaining a margin of solvency. Specifying the financial reporting norms of insurance company. Specify code of conduct, qualifications, and training for intermediary or insurance agents. Undertaking inspection, calling for information and investigations, including an audit of insurance companies, intermediaries, and other organizations associated with the insurance business. Ensuring insurance coverage is provided in rural areas and also to vulnerable sections of society.
Good. This one you try to remember them correctly. You told
Okay.
you are aware of it, but I think
Yes,
you
sir.
may not cover this point.
Yes, sir.
Calling for information, this we will not be telling.
Yes.
An investment by funds by insurance, this and all will not come to our mind unless you read
Yes, sir.
again and register in your mind. Now,
Uh,
I will put a cross question. Can you tell me this investment of funds by banks, how RBI is controlling?
okay.
You were in a bank, na? You have studied
Yes, sir.
CIB also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is regulating by prescribing about CRR, SLR. It is by
Okay.
by
Yes, sir.
regulating the
Minimum
repo rate,
capital requirement. Yes, sir. Yes.
repo rate and all that, and especially today and yesterday, I think there would have been monetary policy committee meetings. I would
Yes.
expect you to go through the
Yes. Sir,
banking
I
connect.
thought, sir, investments will be done by banks, no, sir, in other companies. I thought about.
The yeah, that is also, but they won't comment on that. They want
Okay.
18% and SLR,
Okay.
4.5% under this. So that
Okay.
they will see that they maintain it.
Okay.
Such a measure is not there in the case of insurance.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. This is a very vast area. It is like mini IAS, that is a problem. Asking question itself is very difficult. Many IAS level, right from agriculture, right from your native place, family, insurance, banking, everything they will ask. You did well. You did well. I am happy. I wish you get easy questions there also. And I forgot to include certain questions like, what is it? Some situation based questions.
Yes, sir.
That is somebody showing some gun at you.
Yes, sir.
There are no definite answers for that, but try to manage
Yes.
them. Mm.
Okay. So, how to answer that question? If somebody gun points at you and asks for, sir, I will give my answer if there is
Please tell,
any changes.
please tell.
Yes, sir. Sir, first of all, I will tell him that and assure him that I will look at it and help you in your case. And by that, I will save my life first of all. And after that, I will try to convince him and make him calm himself first of all by offering him seat to sit down and relax himself and offer him something to drink also. And I would convince him that what are the problems regarding his claim, and I will tell him that even if I process your claim, it will be rejected by the higher level at regional office or head office, so your purpose will not be solved. uh, so I will try to convince him like this.
Not bad, not bad. Because you have
Okay. How can
belief,
we answer this?
there is no other answer for you. No,
Mm,
no. But only thing is, you have told rightly, since
mm,
your claim is not falling within the insurance policy terms, it
mm,
may not be recognized even if I pass it.
mm,
Okay. So, however, don't worry, I will pass on to my boss. But that is how you have
mm.
to speak. But again, they will ask her, that means you are going to make him put the gun on my head.
Okay.
No, it is not like that, sir. It is to get over that temporary problem at that time so that further security steps can be taken later on.
Yeah.
This is how you have to manage. Okay.
Mm,
Good.
mm.
Best wishes. God bless you. I wish you should get easy questions and get selected.